Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here, because you're about to unlock something truly transformative. What I'm about to share with you is not just a theory, it's a way of life, a way to effortlessly attract wealth into your experience. You see, the power to become rich, to attract abundance, is already within you. It's not something external that you need to chase. It's about understanding and shifting your inner world, and once you do that, the outer world will naturally reflect it back to you. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth so easily, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? The truth is, it all comes down to one thing: your concept of self. Everything begins and ends with how you see yourself. Right now, you may not realize it, but you hold the key to unlimited wealth in your consciousness. And that key is simply this: your imagination. Imagination is the foundation of creation. What you imagine, what you believe to be true, will manifest in your life. This is not about wishing for wealth, it's about knowing that you are already abundant. Let's break it down. Imagine yourself as wealthy. Really take a moment to picture it. How does it feel? What do you see around you? Where are you? You must feel it as though it's happening right now, not in some distant future. This is the beginning of aligning your consciousness with wealth. The more vividly you can imagine, the more you impress this idea upon your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind accepts it as true, it starts to outpicture it in your external world. Wealth starts to flow to you because you have accepted yourself as someone who is already rich. This is a critical point to understand. Wealth is not something separate from you. It is not something you have to go out and acquire. It is already part of who you are, waiting to be recognized. When you stop seeing wealth as something far off and start recognizing that it is a state of mind, you shift the entire game. You no longer have to struggle or strive. You simply align with the version of yourself that already lives in abundance. This alignment happens through the consistent use of your imagination. Now, you might be thinking, but I have so many financial problems right now. How can I ignore them and imagine I'm rich? That's a valid question, and it's important to understand that we are not ignoring reality, we are transforming it. The outer world is a reflection of your inner state. When you change your inner concept of wealth, the outer world has no choice but to follow suit. Don't get trapped by the current circumstances. Circumstances are simply the result of your past thoughts and beliefs. They are not permanent. They can, and will, change the moment you change your thinking. So, how do you change your thinking? First, you must discipline your imagination. Many of us let our imagination run wild with fear, doubt, and worry. But that only attracts more of the same into our lives. Instead, you need to train your imagination to focus solely on what you desire. Make it a daily practice. Every morning when you wake up, and every night before you go to sleep, spend a few minutes vividly imagining yourself living the life of your dreams. Feel the joy, the freedom, and the peace that come with financial abundance. By doing this consistently, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to accept wealth as your natural state. Another important aspect of attracting wealth is gratitude. You cannot be in a state of lack and expect to attract abundance. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you do have, and in doing so, you align with the energy of abundance. Every day, take time to express gratitude for all the wealth that is already in your life, even if it seems small. It could be as simple as being thankful for a roof over your head, food to eat, or the opportunities that come your way. The more you cultivate a mindset of gratitude, the more the universe responds by giving you more to be grateful for. Let me also address a common misconception about wealth. Many people believe that being rich means taking away from others or that wealth is a limited resource. This couldn't be further from the truth. The universe is infinitely abundant. There is more than enough for everyone. Your wealth does not diminish anyone else's. In fact, when you become wealthy, you inspire others to do the same. You show them what's possible. So don't feel guilty or hesitant about desiring wealth. Know that by attracting abundance, you are expanding the possibilities for others as well. Now, let's talk about something very practical, the idea of wealth consciousness. Wealth consciousness is not just about money in the bank. It's about recognizing the wealth that surrounds you at all times. It's about seeing the abundance in every area of your life, whether it's in your relationships, your health, or your opportunities. When you develop wealth consciousness, money becomes a natural byproduct of your state of being. You don't have to chase it, it comes to you effortlessly because you are living in alignment with abundance. One of the most powerful ways to develop wealth consciousness is by affirming your wealth daily. Speak to yourself in the present tense, as if you are already living the life of your dreams. Say things like, "I am a magnet for wealth, money flows to me effortlessly," or "I am worthy of all the riches life has to offer." The words you speak hold immense power. By affirming these truths, you are impressing them upon your subconscious mind, and soon, they will become your reality. It's also essential to let go of any limiting beliefs you have about money. Many of us carry subconscious beliefs that money is hard to come by, or that we are not deserving of wealth. These beliefs can sabotage your efforts, even if you are consciously trying to attract abundance. Take some time to reflect on your beliefs about money. Are they empowering, or are they keeping you stuck? Once you identify the limiting beliefs, replace them with empowering ones. Know that you are worthy of wealth, that money comes to you easily, and that you are always provided for. Another key aspect of wealth attraction is taking inspired action. It's not enough to just imagine and affirm, you must also be willing to act when opportunities arise. When you align with wealth consciousness, the universe will present you with opportunities to grow your wealth. It might come in the form of a new job, a business idea, or an investment opportunity. Whatever it is, be open to it and take action. Trust that the universe is guiding you toward your abundance. And remember, wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about living a life of freedom, joy, and fulfillment. As you go forward, know that you are already rich. The wealth you seek is not outside of you, it is within you, waiting to be expressed. The more you embody this truth, the more the world will reflect it back to you. So take this knowledge and start applying it today. Use your imagination to create the life you desire. Affirm your wealth daily. Cultivate gratitude and release any limiting beliefs. When you do this, you will find that wealth flows to you effortlessly, and you are able to live the abundant life that is your birthright. And now, as you continue to align yourself with the energy of abundance, you will notice shifts happening in your life. Opportunities will start to appear, money will flow more easily, and you'll feel a deeper sense of peace and security. This is not magic, it's simply the law of consciousness. What you hold in your mind, you will hold in your hand. Wealth is yours for the taking. You just need to claim it. So as you go through your day today, remember this: you are wealthy, you are abundant, and everything you need is already within you. Think of this truth, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. As we bring this powerful conversation to a close, I want to share one final message with you: the wealth you seek is not outside of you. It is not something you need to run after or search for. It is already within you, waiting for you to recognize it. When you shift your consciousness, you shift your entire experience of life. Abundance, wealth, and prosperity become the natural byproducts of the way you think and feel. You don't need to struggle. You don't need to chase. All you need to do is align with the wealth that is already yours. So, if this message has resonated with you, if you found value in what we've discussed today, I encourage you to take a moment and like this video. By doing so, you're signaling to the universe that you're ready to receive more of this energy into your life. And if you want to continue your journey toward greater wealth and abundance, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. You'll receive more insights, more tools, and more guidance to help you unlock the wealth within you. Another way to show your support is to share this video with someone who you think could benefit from this message. When you spread the knowledge of wealth consciousness, you not only uplift yourself but others as well. So, go ahead and share this wisdom, because the more we share, the more we all grow. If you found that this approach to wealth resonates with you, don't miss out on future videos. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new content is available. Each new piece of insight can serve as a stepping stone toward the wealth you desire. And lastly, if you've been inspired by what you've heard today and want to deepen your understanding, subscribe to this channel right now. Make that commitment to yourself, because the more you invest in your inner growth, the more wealth will flow to you effortlessly. Let's continue this journey together, and watch as your financial life transforms in ways you never thought possible.